Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move, copy, and delete pages and sections in the OneNote app. This is incredibly useful when you're organizing your notes, restructuring your notebooks, or simply cleaning up content you no longer need. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar workspace with sections and pages laid out. It's important to let everything load completely before making any changes, so give it a moment if you're working with a large notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, we'll start with the pages process first. To move, copy, or delete a Microsoft OneNote page, locate the page that you wish to work with. This could be any page in your current section. Right-click on it, and you'll see a menu appear with several options. From here, click on the Copy option to copy the page to your clipboard. This is useful when you want to duplicate content without removing it from its original location. After copying, right-click on the blank part of your page panel. You'll see the Paste action appear in the menu. Click on Paste, and your copied page will be duplicated right there. This is great for creating templates or reusing content across different sections of your notebook. Now, to delete a page, right-click on the page again. You'll see the Delete option in the menu. Clicking this will directly remove the page from your notebook. Be careful here, as deleted pages are removed immediately, so make sure you're selecting the right one before confirming. And now for the last action, moving a page. Right-click on the page you wish to move again, then click on the Move or Copy option. A small window will appear, giving you a list of all the possible notebook sections you can move this page into. This is where OneNote really shines in terms of organization. Simply click on the section you wish to move this page to, select the destination, and click on Move. Your page will be transferred to that new section instantly. Now, the same process applies to sections. By right-clicking on a certain section, you'll see the same menu options to move, copy, and delete. This works exactly like the page process, but instead of moving individual pages, you're relocating entire sections with all their pages included. It's a quick way to restructure your entire notebook without having to move pages one by one. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently manage your pages and sections in OneNote, making your note-taking experience much more organized and streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.